So it's Sunday, guys. There's a bit of a blue sky, so we've raced down here, me and Zach, doing a bit of work. As you can see, it's been absolutely chucking it down. There's bloody water everywhere. And can you remember the last time I showed you his bike? And it was a lovely bike, all in one piece, wasn't it? What the hell has he done? He didn't focus in then. If you ever want to get a wiring loom off a Kawasaki ZX14, don't bother. It's ridiculous. Just take that off, Zach.
I am.
It's 2.8mm.
I am, I'm just finding my frigging...
Well, I've got a yellow one of them. Them T-bars. Yeah. What a pain in the arse this is, man. Absolute pain in the arse. So, yeah, so anyway, like I said, the last time I showed you, this is what the problem was. That there, look, it's been absolutely butchered. So this is the reason why we're getting the wiring loom off, is to repair all that and re-tape it up, because they've just absolutely blathered it in insulation tape. So all we've got to do now is get the wiring loom from there through there, if that makes sense. Look at that. There's more insulation tape on that than bloody there is in the factory that makes it. Right, anyway, be back in a minute after the master mechanic has done his job. Oi. Right, he's got the loom off and he's put the bike away. So what I'm going to do is, as a favour to Zach, I'm going to take this home with me, and then I'm going to unpeel all this excess tape off. Do you know what I mean? And make sure that it's all the wire, and obviously leave little bits on so it doesn't come completely in bits. But then I'm going to double check everything, like all that. Look, that needs, it's just, do you know, like when it goes really sticky, and wherever you touch it's just sticky, it just needs pulling off and cutting, doesn't it? So it's down to the original Kawasaki one. Like there, look at that. What is that about? Look, fucking ginormous. Look. Fucking insulation tape, that's ridiculous. So what I'll do then is, you can clearly see where people have bodged it. I'll make sure, I'll take all the tape off there, make sure everything's connected together properly, there's no frayed wires, and then I'll just re-tape all that up for him. Stuff like this, look, I can probably leave that, because that's all I'll do is just check the ends and whatever. But what a job that was. Bloody hell, man, getting this off. So we'll do that, and then jobs are good on. Oh, and by the way, I found this in back of my van. Didn't even know I had it. An engine, but it's proper. Look at that. So there's obviously water in there. So I don't know if to just shove this in back at car and take it home, or just shove it in unit for now. But anyway, in fact, half a bloody engine bolts are missing, look. Right, I don't know what's happened there. I don't even know where this is from. Can't remember. But anyway, I'll probably shove it in car and take it home, and then shove it in the shed somewhere. Right, I'm just going to pack up now. So it'll be next weekend, guys. What I'm going to try and do is get a tripod or something for me Millie, and then next time I go out on it, we'll do a bit of filming. Oh shit, yeah, I was supposed to get some stuff out of here, wasn't I? But never mind. Right, I better go then. Bye.